Ever feel like you're drowning in messy data? Yeah, you're not alone. Inconsistent data entry, it's a huge pain point for businesses. Leads to errors, wasted time, and, unreliable reports. Joining us today, we have Dipak Nilkanth. He's a software engineer at Tiana Solutions, and he's a seasoned veteran in the world of ERP systems like Acumatica. He's helped countless clients navigate those choppy waters of data management. Deepak, thanks for diving in with us today.
My pleasure. It's definitely a problem I'm passionate about solving, yeah.
Okay, so picture this. Your sales team is entering customer information, but everybody's doing it a little differently. Some use dashes and phone numbers, some don't. Dates are all over the place. Seems small, but trust me, these little inconsistencies, they can cause massive headaches down the line.
Absolutely. It's like trying to build a house on a foundation of jelly. Things get wobbly fast, reports become unreliable, integrations fail, and you're left scrambling to clean up the mess. But here's the good news. There's a simple tool that can prevent this chaos, and it's called an input mask.
Input masks. Okay, I have to admit, that doesn't sound super exciting at first glance. But I trust you, Deepak. Break it down for me. What are we talking about here?
Think of an input mask like a cookie cutter for your data. It forces all your information to fit a specific mold. For example, you can set up an input mask to require a 10-digit phone number every single time. No exceptions. No more dashes, spaces, or random extra digits.
Ah, I see. So it's like setting up guardrails for data entry, making sure anything follows the rules. No more data entry cowboys running wild in the system.
Exactly. And the best part is you can customize input masks to meet your specific business needs. Need a date format that aligns with your accounting software? No problem. Want to force uppercase letters for product codes? Easy. You have complete control.
This is starting to sound like a data superhero in disguise. It's like having a data bouncer at the door, only letting in the properly formatted information.
That's a great analogy. And the benefits are huge. You'll see fewer errors, improved data quality, and a smoother flow of information throughout your entire system. Let's say you're a company that ships products. Think about how much time and money you could save if every single address was entered consistently. No more typos, no more delayed deliveries, no more frustrated customers. It's a win-win for everyone.
Okay, I'm convinced. Input masks are officially on my data management dream team. But let's get real for a second. How easy are these to set up? Is this something only a tech wizard can handle?
Not at all. Setting up input masks is surprisingly simple, especially in user-friendly systems like Acumatica. You don't need to be a coding expert to get started. It's more about understanding the basic principles and then configuring them to fit your needs.
So it's more like assembling a Lego set than writing complex code. That's good news for those of us who are a bit Lego inclined. Now, I know you've seen these input masks in action firsthand, working with clients at Tiana Solutions. Can you give us a real-world example of how they made a difference?
Sure. We had one client, a manufacturing company, that was struggling with inconsistent product codes. Some employees were using all caps, some were using lowercase, some were even using a mix. This created chaos in their inventory management system.
Oh, I can only imagine the reporting nightmares that caused. So how did input masks swoop in to save the day?
We implemented input masks that forced all product codes to be entered in uppercase, and that eliminated those inconsistencies. The result, their inventory reports became accurate, their warehouse operations ran more smoothly, and they even saw a reduction in order fulfillment errors. It's a perfect example of how a small change can have a huge impact.
That's what I love about this. It's not some complicated, expensive overhaul. It's a targeted solution that can make a real difference.
Exactly. And the best part is input masks can be used in so many different scenarios. We've helped clients streamline everything from customer onboarding processes to financial reporting, all thanks to the power of input masks.
Okay, so for our listener who is eager to try this out, what are some key things to keep in mind when implementing input masks?
One important tip is to start small. Don't try to tackle every data entry field at once. Identify the areas where errors are most common or where consistency is critical and focus your efforts there. You can always expand your use of input masks as you gain more experience and confidence.
Great advice. It's all about those quick wins that build momentum. And I imagine user training is also important. You don't want people feeling confused or frustrated by these new rules.
Absolutely. Clear communication is key. Make sure your users understand the purpose of input masks and how they benefit the entire organization. Provide them with clear instructions and documentation, and be available to answer any questions they may have. When users feel empowered and informed, they're more likely to embrace the changes.
It's all about creating a culture of data quality. where everyone understands the importance of accurate and consistent information.
Exactly. And that's something we're really passionate about at Tiana Solutions. We believe that data should be an asset, not a liability. And we're dedicated to helping our clients unlock the power of their data through solutions like input masks, data validation rules, custom field creation, and more.
So it's not just about technical expertise, it's about understanding the business context and finding the right tools for the job. Now, for our listener who is ready to take that next step, what's the best way to connect with Tiana Solutions and see how you can help them?
We encourage your listeners to visit our website at tianasolutions.com or give us a call at 678-910-2774. We're happy to answer any questions and explore how we can help you transform your data from a source of frustration into a powerful driver of business success.
I love that. From data chaos to data clarity. It sounds like Tiana Solutions is the perfect guide for that journey. And Deepak, thank you so much for sharing your expertise with us today. You've given us so much to think about, and I'm sure our listeners feeling inspired to tackle their own data entry challenges with confidence.
It's been my pleasure. I always enjoy demystifying data and empowering businesses to make smarter decisions.
It's like data doesn't have to be this scary, unmanageable thing. It can actually be a source of power and insight if you have the right tools and strategies in place. So if you're tired of battling data entry errors and you feel like you're drowning in spreadsheets, just take a deep breath and remember there are solutions out there. Input masks are just one example. And companies like Tiana Solutions, they have a whole arsenal of tricks up their sleeves to help you tame your data and unlock its true potential. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of data optimization and discover how much easier your business life can be. That's all for this deep dive. Stay curious, my friends, and keep those data gremlins at bay.